Hello there, my name is Mary Mackenzie. I'm a graduate student of the nursing programme at LaGuardia Community College. I presently hold an associate's degree in applied science, and I have to say I'm absolutely thrilled to have achieved this, as it has been a long journey but a worthwhile one. I really don't remember when my journey began, but I know I was in my early 20s and I had just come to this country. I come from Ireland, a country on the west coast of Europe. It's quite a small country, but its people are friendly and very giving. So I do believe that my culture and my background has influenced my decision in becoming a nurse. I grew up in a village surrounded by caring and charitable people. Irish people expect very little in return, and this is the lesson that has been passed on to me through the generations. The family and the community are always the priority. So nursing for me has grown out of this background, and this is where the seed was planted, which was later to grow in New York City. My father was a nurse, but I was encouraged to think beyond nursing. I guess it was a time when Ireland was in recession and people had very little. And so I was encouraged to emigrate with the hope that life would be easier. It was not easy at first, and there were so many people here from Ireland, but it seemed like a home away from home. I worked as a babysitter and I did home care, and then I found myself in the Irish travel business. However, nursing was always on my mind. It was a whisper at first, so I felt it was a time for fun and freedom. Later I married and I started a family, and I had 3 beautiful children. So I decided I should stay at home with them, and I loved this. But the dream of nursing surfaced again, and this time the whisper became a shout, and I knew one day I would have to listen to it. So when my son started kindergarten, I started school also, and I entered LaGuardia. I was scared and intimidated, as it was 20 years since I had been in a classroom. I had not taken any science subjects in Ireland, and I found myself wondering if I could do this. But every day when I walked into the door, I would say, "My God, I'm still here," and I couldn't believe it. It was so surreal. And so then I got into the nursing program, and I still couldn't believe it, and I still questioned if this was right for me. I found the classroom experience difficult. However, I loved the hospital and all that it offered, and as time went by, I learned to love the different level of lessons offered in this program. The social lesson, the practical lesson, and the academic lessons. These are all intertwined and heading in the one direction, and that is to become a registered nurse. Now, I would be lying if I said it was easy, and there were times when I said to God, "You're testing me too much." But being Irish and stubborn, I said, "No, I'm not failing now. I've come too far." And so I just got on with it, and I continued on with my journey. I visited 4 hospitals during my clinical rotation. I met fabulous people, professors, teachers and nurses. I learned one should be in this career because they want to be and for no other reason. And so my journey is continuing, and I hope one day that I will be able to obtain a bachelor's degree. I have to say I'm grateful to all those people who helped me. My friends, my family, the professors and all the LaGuardia staff.